If you're struggling with PDFs in 2026, this is the only video you need. In the next 9 minutes, I will show you how to do all of this for free with one website. Make 10 PDFs into one, split a 200-page PDF into parts, extract just the pages you need, compress any PDF so you can send it on WhatsApp, protect your PDF with a password for confidentiality, and unlock any PDF you forgot the password to. No download, works on your phone and computer. This is the ILovePDF Ultimate Guide 2026. Let's fix your PDF program right now. Open your Google Chrome, either from your system or from your phone. This method works, so it is for both system user and phone user. Now you will search for ILovePDF. ILovePDF. Now once you search for ILovePDF, the first one option there, which is www.ilovepdf.com, is what you will click. Now once you click on ilovepdf.com, it will open it for you. Okay, now you will click on the 3 lines by the top left corner. Click on the 3 line by the top left corner. Then next you will click on merge PDF. All right, click on merge PDF. After you click on merge PDF, the next thing you would do is select PDF files. Select PDF files. Then you are going to select more than 2 or 3 PDF we want to combine together. Number 1, I will use this. 2, 3, 4. Then I'll click select. Once I click select, you are going to see all the 4 PDF here. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and then this is number 4. Now if you wish to make any one the first page, you can drag it. Okay, let's say the first one, I want it to be the last. I can keep dragging. Okay, I'll keep dragging until I make it. Okay, I think it's okay. Now that is the last. Now that is all I need to do now is to click on merge PDF. Once I click on merge PDF, that is all. Download merge PDF and we are done. Okay, we are done. Do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn simple basic skills. You can split document. Assuming you have about 10 pages and you want to extract only 1 page from the 10 page, or you want to substitute, there is a need for you to split the document. That's what I'll be showing you. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also share with your friend. Now let's go. We'll click split PDF. After I click split PDF, the next thing I will do is select PDF file. Now I will select the PDF file. Click on select PDF file. The next thing I will do is to look for any document PDF that has more than 1 page, because you need to have about more than 1 page before you can split. Now I will be using this one. Select that file there. Now once you select the file, click on this setting here. Once you click on the setting, you can click on pages. That means you want all of the pages to be single. Okay, you can select pages. Once you click on select pages, you click split PDF. Now it is splitted. You click on download split PDF. Wait for it to be downloaded. Let's click on the details to see how it is going. Okay, let's wait for it to be downloaded. Now it's going to be downloading it in zip. You can see it has been downloaded as a zip extension. Now I will click on that zip extension. Then I will use any of my tools at WPS, and then I'll click to open that particular file there. Now watch and see. Can you see that we have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6? Remember the last document we converted was 6 pages. Did you remember? So now it has been splitted to 6 different pages. Now I can decide to open the first page. Let's see what is there. I can decide to open the first page there to see what is. Can you see that? So it has been splitted to different pages. Now how to extract PDF, that's the next thing. Click on the 3 lines by the top left corner. Then the next thing you would do is click extract pages. Then select PDF file. Look for the PDF file you wish to extract. Remember the last time we looked at what we call split PDF. And now we are looking at extract PDF. Some of you might be confusing the two. You might be confused about the two. What is the difference? The difference is that in splitting PDF, we make the pages to be single. 10 pages, for example, if we split it, it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then for extracting, I have 10 pages. I only want page 1, page 5, and page 7. When I do that, it is only those pages I'm going to be seeing. I will not see the rest of the page. That's what we mean by extracting. So let me select the one I want. So let me use this. Now you are going to see the whole of the pages that is contained in that PDF. Can you see that? So let's assume I want page 1, I want page 3, and then I want page 5. What do I do to the rest? I will uncheck them by clicking them. I don't want page 2, I will uncheck it. I don't want page 6, I will uncheck it. So I have 1, 3, and 5. Then finally you click on split PDF. Once you click on split PDF, the next thing you will do is to download the split PDF. And that will be all. Now click on the download. Now open it and see how it looks like. Okay, let's open it. Can you see that? So it is only page 1, page 3, and page 5 that came out. That's what we mean by extracting PDF. The next is PDF. Okay, how to compress PDF. You have about 1.9 MB, and you are asked that it should not be less than 365, for example, kV, that is kilobytes, and you are having it in megabyte. What do? That's what I want to show you. Now click on the 3 lines by the top left corner, then you will click compress PDF. Once you click on compress PDF, click select PDF file. After you click on select PDF file, the next thing you will do is to look for the PDF you wish to compress. Let's use this. Now after selecting that, you can decide to click on your setting. The recommended is the best. Select that one, and then you click on compress PDF. Now after you click on compress PDF, you wait for it to be. Can you see that? So it is compressed from 1.71 MB to 306 kilobyte. That's already been downloaded. So let's open it and see. Okay, it's already been downloaded. There you can see the quality is still good, and then the size is also okay. Let's see. I'll be showing you is how to protect your PDF. Sometimes you want your PDF to be confidential with nobody just entering and opening your PDF like that. That is what I'll be showing you. At the end of this video, you should be able to learn how to protect your PDF. So let's go in and learn. First thing you will do, you click on the 3 line by the top left corner. I want to believe you know how we get to this place already. Okay, now you scroll down to protect PDF. Then you click select PDF file. Look for the PDF you wish to protect. Look for the PDF you wish to protect and click on it. Next, you will click setting. Then you type the password. Retype the password. Click on setting again, then click protect PDF. Once you click on the protect PDF, the next thing you will do is to download protected PDFs. Alright, download the protected PDF. Now let's click on the details and see how, let's see the download and see how it will respond. Okay, let's see it. It's downloaded, we'll open it. Okay, let's open it now and see how it's going to work. You see that it asks for the password before it can be opened, so I will type the password and click open. That's how to protect your PDF. Then open it and see how to unlock the PDF. Okay, now to unlock the PDF, what do? Go to the same place, click on the 3 line by the top left corner, then you scroll down to unlock PDF. Unlock PDF. Alright, then click on select PDF file. I click on select PDF file. Remember, this is the one we just protected. Click on that first one there, then click unlock. That is all. Then download the unlock PDF. Download the unlock PDF. Now let's open it and see how it's going to be. Right, let's open it. open it and see. You can see it has been opened without protection. So this is what we do. So see you again in the next video. You have a wonderful day. That make you valuable in your organization. Do well to share also with your friends. See you again in the next video, where I'll be showing you other tips you need as phone user and computer user. Do have a lovely day.